Hi, I'm John Anderton, Director, Product Line Management at Qorvo. At Qorvo, we're honoured to be at the CSA member meeting in Amsterdam this week, helping further advance the Matter standard after the exciting launch of Matter 1.0 last month. One of the core goals of Matter is interoperability. Interoperability at a smart home platform level, interoperability between vendors of different connected products, and interoperability between established connectivity standards, for example, Zigbee. At Qorvo, we're demonstrating how our software products, our silicon products, deliver on that interoperability promise, whilst providing quick time to market and best-in-class connectivity, range, reliability, and robustness. At the heart of the demonstration today are our Qorvo development kits optimized for Matter. All our development kits are powered by Qorvo ConcurrentConnect technologies, a suite of technologies that enables customers to deliver best-in-class connectivity. Today we're focusing on ConcurrentConnect multi-channel technology, a specific feature, a unique feature of our development kits that allows customers, developers to combine Matter technologies with Zigbee technologies in a high-performance way, accelerating time to market and delivering best-in-class connectivity, range, and robustness. At the center of the demo is the 7015M IoT development kit for gateways and smart speaker devices. This development kit includes the ConcurrentConnect technologies, and in particular includes ConcurrentConnect multi-channel technology. This enables the developer to develop a Matter-compliant gateway or smart speaker device, and in parallel implement a Zigbee bridge technology. So in this particular demonstration today, in parallel, concurrently, using ConcurrentConnect multi-channel, we have an open thread border router, so it supports Matter over thread, so you can connect Matter-compliant connected devices to it. And in parallel to that, you have a Zigbee bridge implementation, bridging between Zigbee connected devices and the Matter ecosystem and infrastructure. So that's the 7015M IoT development kit. Looking wider around the demonstration, we have our IoT development kit for the QPG6105. This is a development kit that's optimized for battery-powered, small, connected devices. In the demonstration today, the QPG6105 IoT development kit has implemented a certified Matter-compliant connected light bulb. And around this demonstration, around the Qorvo IoT development kits, we have a number of standard consumer devices. We have a voice assistant product that is already Matter enabled. We have a well-known Zigbee connected light bulb. And we have a couple of tablets that allow you to control the lighting installation. One of the key features of Matter is smart home platform interoperability. So to demonstrate that today, we have two smart home platforms. We have an Apple tablet running a Matter controller application, and we have an Android tablet also running a Matter controller application. So I can control Matter devices connected to the IoT development kit using the QPG7015M. So I can control the Matter light bulb. I can turn the Matter light bulb on and off as you would expect using the Apple tablet, but I can also turn it off or on using the Android tablet. As mentioned, the QPG7015M IoT development kit using ConcurrentConnect multi-channel technology enables the developer to combine an open thread border router supporting Matter connected devices concurrently with a Zigbee bridge, bridging through to the Matter protocol that allows a Matter controller to also control Zigbee devices. And this is supported in this demonstration today using the same application. Next to controlling Matter devices, I can also control Zigbee devices. So next to controlling the Matter bulb, I can of course also control the Zigbee bulb. I can turn it on and off, and as you would expect, be able to change the brightness level, brighten it, dim it, change the colors, as you would expect to be able to do. All controlled through the Matter application, in parallel, concurrently with controlling Matter devices. And of course, we can also control the Zigbee products, the Zigbee lighting products, and the Matter lighting products through Matter through a voice assistant. So I can, for example, say, "Hey Siri, turn off the lights," and both the Zigbee light and the Matter light turn off at the same time, powered by ConcurrentConnect multi-channel capability. "Hey Siri, turn on the lights." Thank you for taking the time to look at the Qorvo demonstration today, demonstrating our unique technologies and our enablement of Matter. If you would like to know more, please contact your Qorvo sales representative or contact us via the Qorvo website.